Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look finally on euro currency. So euro also has started upward reaction with some delay compared to gold market and Great British pound, but still everything goes well and we are coming to the target. So it's just a few pips stands till the target, or well, not a few. 1530 now, we have the target 1580. Well, 50 pips till the target. As you can see, no barriers exist here. Market already stands above this top. This was a decisive moment from the long-term point of view. We talked about now our weekly reports, week by week, when we talked on monthly chart, because this is huge monthly doji pattern. And the fact that market has broken the upper border of the doji and stands above it, it means a lot. So that's a real significant moment, and it could mean that market could pass in a direction of the breakout the same distance as the doji itself. So this is rather extended distance. Whether it will be a long journey or it could happen fast, we do not know. But this rule exists when you are dealing with the huge dojis on the market. Meantime, we're mostly interested in reaching the nearest standing target, XOP of the ABCD pattern and 1618 extension of the butterfly. After that, some pullback probably could happen. So since we're keeping long positions for a long time already, that's the point that we're going to. Currently, market has no additional barriers, no levels, well, no other, but it could finally reach this target. On intraday charts, on the forward time frame chart, we have nothing special. So XOP of the inner butterfly also has been completed. 107 extension has been passed as it now exists with the acceleration. This is additional sign that market is coming to the 1618. So when the market shows acceleration to the 127, and in our case you can see it even has passed through it with the acceleration, there's no reaction on the 127 extension. This is a good sign that market sooner probably rather than later but hit 1618 extension. It means that in the current moment, those of you who have long positions, you probably could keep them. For the scalp traders, well, you could consider taking the short-term long position as well with some retracement. So you can see that market right now stands in a minor pullback here. Retracement will be very small, guys. I did not expect that market will erase this recent rally. Well, at best case, we could get 115. So market could form some kind of the minor hand and shoulders here. It's ABC top. XOP stands 1494. 115 is a 30% support. That's agreement support. But I suspect that, well, retracement could be even smaller. So it could happen that market has shown this pullback, this minor pullback, and then it could continue upward action immediately. So maybe it makes sense to split your position on the 30-70 ratio. So taking the 30% somewhere in this area and wait for a pullback. If it will happen, well, you get another 70% somewhere around 115. If this will not happen, then in this case you will get at least some position with the action to the 115.80 area. So, well, that's actually all that we could say right now. Later we have to keep an eye on what will happen on the higher time frames, and this is the subject for weekly analysis, because it's particularly interesting in what will happen with weekly confluence resistance and what reaction will be on the butterfly, how long the effect of this rescue fund that has been accepted, adopted by the European Union leaders will last. So whether this will be long-term, long play situation, or it will be short-term reaction. On first glance, in 700 billions, it's not really small amount, but compared to the United States liquidity printing, that looks not really very significant. So That's why this is the moments that we need to get. If indeed market will take the course on upward continuation, that's will be important. In this case, we could set for new targets and see how they could be reached. But for today, this week, we will just watching how market will hit the 1580, and we will keep an eye on the first reaction on this target.